Creating something creamy and delicious in your own kitchen can really impress your guests. Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we have an impressive recipe for you with Peach Cheesecake. So let's get started. Let's make the crust. Butter makes everything taste better. Set your timer for 10 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Let's prepare the filling. These puree instructions can be found in the description box below. Time to build the cheesecake. Set your timer for 60 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. The peach has an extensive and international history. Peaches were first cultivated in China approximately 4,000 years ago during the Neolithic period. The Romans played a major role in spreading peaches throughout Europe. Spanish monks brought peaches to North America near St. Augustine, Florida in the mid-1500s. Looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Wow, this peach cheesecake captures the essence of peaches in every bite. The Biscoff cookie crust creates an amazing flavor dimension. You, your guests, friends, and families will absolutely love it. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is one impressive dessert. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.